What's up, credit family? It's your boy, Mr. Credit Banking, and I am back again with another video. In today's video, we're going to discuss when is the best time to pay your credit card to improve your credit score. Let's get started. So just recently, I was talking to one of my subscribers about, when is the best time to pay their credit card bill, because they were telling me they've been watching my videos, they've subscribed to my channel, they've liked my videos, they've been leaving comments, and they got 2 credit cards over the past year, and they've noticed that their credit score did go up when they got their credit cards because they increased their their credit mix. But just recently they've noticed that their credit has been going down, their credit score has been going down, and they haven't done anything different. So I took a look at it for them, and I realized what they were doing wrong. So both of the credit cards they had a very low limit. So anyways, and which is it's not that big of a deal, but this is the problem that they're running into with that credit card that had a very low limit. So anyway, they were spending their credit card, and then when the due date come around, they would pay it off in full. That's what everybody tells you to do: pay off their credit card in full. But unfortunately, the mistake that they were making is that they paid off on the due date, and then they will continue to use their credit card. And you go say, hey, why should you have a credit card if you have to stop using it? And you're right. And so what I told them to do to fix that problem, because what was happening is that they will continue to use it, and then when the billing cycle would close, because they're continuing to use it, that balance, the current balance, will get reported to the credit reporting agency, and because of the lower limit, both of the cards are showing pretty much maxed out, killing the utilization and bringing down their credit score. So that was the mistake that they were making. So what I recommend for them to do is a couple of stuff. So I told them going forward, I went into the web portal for the credit cards that they have, and then I found what was the billing, when the billing cycle ended, and I told them the dates that the billing cycle ended, and I said, okay, from now on, you're going to pay off the current balance right before the statement closes, right before the billing cycle closes. You're going to pay off that the current balance. You're going to pay it off, or you're going to pay down to like 3% or less. So that's what gets reported to the credit reporting agency. So that was the mistake that they were making. They're continuing to use it, maxing out the credit card, not realizing that's what they were doing. And then that high balance was getting reported to the credit reporting agency. And then I went, the extra mile for my loyal subscriber, just like you, who's always, liking all my videos and have already subscribed, correct? And leaving comments below. I asked them what credit card companies that they were using, and I actually went in and helped them get a credit limit increase. On one card, I got them a $500 credit limit increase. On the other card, I got them a $5,000 credit limit increase, and that's going to help them a whole lot. Just in case they didn't do, like I said, now they have more credit limit on that credit card. So if they're continuing to use it, the card is not showing maxed out when the billing cycle closes and it gets reported to the credit reporting agency. So anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. Hopefully you guys are already a loyal subscribers. I can help you guys out like I just helped out this other subscriber. And then also, you guys like my video, and also going to leave a comment down below. Thanks guys. That stuff really helps me out. I'm trying to grow my channel. I'm trying to get to that magical 500. Well, I'm trying to get to 1,000, but I'm taking it up, addressing it in little chunks. Anyways, please like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Mr. Credit Banking out. Peace.